Okay, I'm Dr. Fox. I'm with Fox Integrated Healthcare. I'm going to spend a couple minutes and talk with Heather. She's going through some neuropathy treatment here with us in the clinic. And I just wanted to get a little bit of information. How are you feeling so far from your treatments? What kind of changes are you seeing?
Feeling good. Great progress as far as numbness goes. Tingling in my hands, tingling in my feet. Feel like huge things, hot and cold. Experiences going from not being able to touch anything cold to being able to scoop ice cream out of a bin, holding the bucket. So huge. Not being able to clap my hands, cheering for my son at soccer games, my daughter at soccer games, to being able to clap and cheer and not realizing that the sensation is gone from the feeling of neuropathy. I can do it normally.
Right, now it's gotten so much better. Right. How long have you been under care now? What has it been, about 6 weeks?
Yep.
Yeah, about 6 weeks, okay. And so in the office, we've done a lot of different things with you, but now we're kind of moving into some more advanced training for you. There'll be some things we're going to do in the future here. Do you think other people could do this program? Is it hard?
No. Simplest thing probably I could have ever done. No time at all. Dedication to myself is probably the biggest thing, and adapting. Feeling like with every little small baby step, the huge things get better. So as it goes, the more concentrated you become.
Okay, that's good. And are we using any medications on you to help do this?
No.
No, so no medications?
No medication.
Okay. We're going to follow your progress. Thanks for taking the time to help other patients, and we look forward to seeing you get better and better.
Thank you.